Hello everyone, welcome to Harsha Lectures. In this lecture, I am going to explain you about Jump Game 2. So here they given an array of non-negative integers nums. You are initially positioned at the first index of the array. Each element in the array represents your maximum jump length at that position. Your goal is to reach the last index in the minimum number of jumps. You can assume that you can always reach the last index. So coming to example 1, they given nums equal to 2, 3, 1, 1, 4. So here the output is 2. How the explanation is, the minimum number of jumps to reach the last index is 2. Jump one step from 0 to 1, then 3 steps to the last index. So here they are explaining about the output. First step, they took only one jump from 0 position to first position. Means it will come from 2 to 3. And again, to reach the last index, it will take 3 steps at a time. So by taking 3 steps, directly it will reach to the last position. So by taking 2 steps, easily we can reach from starting position to ending position. So that what is the logic we need to apply for that, and how many steps it will take to reach to the last position, that we need to show in the output. Coming to example 2 also, they given 2, 3, 0, 1, 4. So according to their protocols, first position it will take from first position to second position, and directly it will take 3 steps. So by doing this, it will reach the last index. So for this I will explain logic clearly. First, we need to take some variables. Variables are index and max for nums of 0 and count. So these 4 variables, index and max for count, I took, and I initialized index and count with 0 and max for equal with nums of 0. Here for index equal to 0 and index plus 1 is less than nums dot length, and pre-increment with index. In this for loop, I will mention max for equal to math dot max of, here max for comma index plus nums of index. Okay, and here if index is equal to n, then I will make count increment and equal to max for. Here I will return not max for, I will return count. So coming to for loop, I am just taking index 0 value, initialize with 0 and check with the last, means it will traverse first element to the last element, and here I just take the max value from this, and I am comparing for index position, first position with last position. If both are equal, then how many times this loop is repeated, that will be stored in this count values by implementing this logic. Here for this n, I am just allocating this max for. So by implementing this logic, how many steps it is taking to reach the last step, it is tracking with the help of count. So I am returning that count here. Now I will run this code and we'll check what is the output for this. It is showing some, here comma could be there, not semicolon. Now I will run this code. Accepted. Now I will submit this code. Success. So if you have any queries, you can mention your doubts in commentary session, and please do like and subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.